Across many countries in Africa, the demand of machinery such as Kata 330 excavators is really growing. More roads and housing projects are being built, so companies need strong equipment to get the work faster and more efficiently. China has become one of the most easiest places you can source these machines. There are many factories with good prices and a good choice. From inspecting these machines to shipping them out, the whole process has become pretty much straightforward. There are also tax breaks and advantages in countries like Tanzania, for example. Capital goods like excavators and tractors have 0% import duty, and even though there is 18% on VAT, most projects qualify for initiatives that lower the total cost. Many African countries as well offer similar tax breaks, for example on development equipment and construction material. By buying from China and using tax benefits, businesses can get reliable and powerful machines at a better price, helping projects move faster and support growth at home. Well, with all that being said, if you're interested in purchasing machines like this, feel free to contact me using the information in the caption, and follow my TikTok and YouTube page at oatmealeve.com.